Here's another one for all those separated or divorcing parents with school-age children. And really quick, if you're new here, I'm a lawyer and I'm also the owner of Strategic Family Law, which is a marital and family law firm in Florida. This is your friendly reminder that Halloween is only a little over a month away. And let's just do a double whammy while we're at it. Less than 2 weeks after Halloween is November 11th, which is Veterans Day, and your kids are likely going to be off from school on a Tuesday. Now is the time to iron out the details as to what's going to happen on Halloween and on Veterans Day. Let's take it one by one. Halloween is one of these changeable holidays that can fall on any day of the week, but this year it's on a Friday. Have you and your co-parent talked about who's going to have Halloween this year? If it were a Saturday or Sunday, you could probably split the day in half, but since Friday's a school day, you can't do that, so you have to have other discussions here. Is it going to be just Friday, or is it going to be the entire weekend? Is the parent who's not going to have Halloween at least going to have the weekend before so they could do some fun Halloween things with the children? This is the time to figure it out before you find yourself arguing with your co-parent on their front porch while your kids are standing there in their Halloween costumes holding their pails, not knowing what's happening. Veterans Day is a little different. We here at the firm love veterans and we love our law enforcement officers. So if one parent is a veteran, of course, we'd always advise to let the kids be with that person because it's their special day. But in my experience, if neither parent is a veteran, then this really sort of becomes more of a child care nightmare because it's a random Tuesday, neither parent has a day off, neither parent is really celebrating, and the kids are off from school. If it's your day to be with the children and you do not have the day off from work, have you talked about who's going to care for these kids on this random day off? And if your co-parent is not willing or able to step in and help you, then who else can care for these children? Have you made those arrangements? Trust me when I say that just a little over 30 days is really not a whole lot of time to start thinking about all these things. And ultimately, it really just goes back to your kids having predictability. And isn't this the priority after all? To make sure that your children already have a plan in place before the date comes so that they're not embroiled in some conflict? So go ahead, make your proposals, have the arguments, call the lawyers, send the emails, do whatever you have to do. But do it now before your kids become aware. And as always, if you need help, call me. Let's talk it through.